welcome back to another Buc-ee's construction update on the channel. Today is June 14th, 2025. We are in Huber Heights, Ohio.
We're standing across the street from the construction site of what will be Ohio's first Buc-ee's. Since we were down here last week, there's not a whole lot of changes that you can see from the drone we're driving by. We know there's work going on in there, but it's just not a lot of visible progress that makes it look much different than last week. So we'll probably keep this video a little bit short. I know when I flew the drone today, the one thing that I noticed different from last week, it's clearly defined where the fuel lines are running from the underground fuel storage tanks over to the north and the south fuel pump islands. Center Point Boulevard, the road construction looks like it's complete, but you're not allowed to drive on it yet. The exit ramp from I-70 to State Route 235, work still going on there, but just not a whole lot of visible changes since last week. So we'll just bring you a video to keep you updated, and I think this one will probably be a little bit on the shorter side.
We got the weather in today.
Yeah, we had to dodge a few raindrops today. It's been another rainy day here in this area of Ohio. We got a little window in between raindrops, so we thought we'd take advantage of it and get the job done.
Yeah, since we were down this way, might as well get it done.
Yep. So I think that's going to do it for today. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the Buc-ee's construction update videos. As always, thanks for watching.
We'll see you down the road.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Here's a look at the retail store. As you can see, there's not a whole lot of visible differences from last week's video. This is the area behind the retail store, the eastern side of the construction site. We don't get to see this area too often, so I thought I'd take this week to show you what's been going on in this part of the construction site. This is the exit ramp from I-70 West to State Route 235. Kind of see the progress that's been going on here with the construction updates. Here's a look at the fuel pump islands. This week we can see where the lines are running from the underground fuel storage tanks to both the north and south fuel pump islands. This is a look at the construction that's been taking place on Center Point Boulevard. Looks like that new lane is just about ready to be put in service. You can't drive on it right now. This is the field across the street from the construction site. Don't really think this has anything to do with the Buc-ee's construction, but you can see the lone bulldozer in the middle of the field.